see any icon on the desktop, but it's there in programs.
You downloaded or you installed?
Yeah, both. I downloaded and installed it. I seen programs at my MySQL workbench,
Okay.
but not in the desktop. I didn't find any icon. Or anything.
Okay. So you guys want me to try on my system? I can uninstall my MySQL and I can reinstall it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So let me first uninstall it. I think it will take quite a while to remove each and everything.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
will take more than an hour.
Yeah, so I don't want to mess my system again. So is there any system which is not having MySQL? So did everyone install already or Naresh?
Can you check whether it is installed in my
Hi Venkat,
Yeah. So you already downloaded and installed it or no?
you're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have installed it.
Okay. So is there anyone who has not yet downloaded and who has not yet installed?
I think nobody is there.
Okay. So maybe we will try to see. Narsimha, you can share your screen. You said you are having some issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll pass the control to you. So Narsimha tried installing it, but he says like he is not able to see his MySQL setup.
Uh,
Yeah, the control is with you.
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. Okay. Venkat, can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see your screen. Yes.
So this is what I have in my control panel. I mean, I got all of my SQL of this, but I don't know.
So go to your programs. I am not able to see your control panel. I am able to see only your screen. Share everything, then you'll. Yeah. Okay, so you have everything. But the only thing is, see, you have all the MySQL related things, but you don't have the visual interface to see that. Correct? So what we will do, we will just try to install the visual interface to see whether MySQL is installed or not. So go to Google and download
Okay.
MySQL Workbench. See, Workbench is used to access the MySQL database, MySQL server. So Workbench is a utility or a tool to access MySQL server. You have already installed your MySQL server, but you need to see whether you can access that or not. So download Workbench now. I don't know what happened to everyone. Mm, Not many are there today. Maybe it's because of Sunday.
Venkat,
Yeah.
yeah, how many days it will take to complete the rest of the syllabus?
Mm,
Means JDBC, servlets.
yeah, it depends. I can say like another 20 days, 20 to 25 days.
Okay.
Yeah. But if people are not coming regularly, then again it will be tough. And again, it depends on your doubts. If you guys keep on asking like many doubts, so we have to extend our class, and again we need to discuss the same topic again, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. So everything, because it's a big, huge batch. Actually, we are having like 13 members. So we need to
Mhm.
ensure that each and every one is understanding everything. So it will take time.
Okay.
Because only for one person or two persons I cannot just uh, pace my batch, because all others are also there. Everyone wants to understand everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we have finished it. Yeah, so you're opening the MySQL workbench, right? Okay, that's good. So this is open, right? Now click on that left side local instance, open connection. The left, yeah, double click on that. Root host. Yeah, give your password. You can store your connection.
Okay. I
Cancel,
mean, should I press
just
okay?
cancel it. Just cancel it. Cancel it. Just double click on it. So once you double click, you got the same window. Not that. Not that. Not that.
Yeah.
Cancel. Directly, you have one highlighted blue one. Local instance MySQL. Just double click on it. No, you have something called local instance MySQL 56. Yeah. Save. Enter the password and save it.
Any password?
Not any password. While installing, you have given some password, right? While installing the MySQL server.
I'm not sure. It didn't ask any password.
No, no, no. It will ask. Yeah, that went through. So now your database is installed and you have
This is an important security message for your computer and network. The virus has
so now you got your MySQL installed and you are able to see mask control. Okay, you are able to see different schemas, right? So now go to test schema. Just left click on test. Sorry, I mean just click on test. Left side you have test, right? So just expose it. Yeah, expand it. Yeah, next tables, expand it. Yeah, so right click on it, create a table. Yeah, create something, say temp or first table, anything, whatever you want. Yeah, first, no, table name should be either first underscore table or just two. You are giving space, right? That is not, yeah. Yeah, now give tab. Wait, you are just given table, but where are the columns within the database? The columns are there below, so just give tab. Still tab, columns, and until you go to columns. Yeah, you go, now you are in column. No, see, columns is, I think you need to adjust your window so that you can see your columns. Expand it.
Wait, I mean, what to do now?
Yeah, I have requested for keyboard mouse control.
One sec.
See, this is your alignment. You need to adjust your alignment. You got the request from me?
No, I didn't get any request.
Oh yeah, see, you aligned it, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so now you can just double click under the column name. Just double click. Yeah, enter something, enter ID, first name, first column, ID. Just ID.
Yeah, ID first.
Just ID. Yeah.
Okay.
And it is of type integer primary key. Okay, next column. Next double click.
So,
Double click. Next line.
okay.
You can go to next line and give double click. Name.
First name?
Name, anything, yeah. Whatever. Just to see whether you are able to create some table. Yeah. Give tab. Tab. Yeah. Next column. Give some city. That is fine. Varchar is character. That means string. So how you will maintain string in Java? It is varchar in database.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll call varchar or varchar, depends. Yeah, that's it. 4 columns are enough. Yeah, you can create one more column, zip. Yeah, and apply. Apply. Finish. So now if you just click on tables again, see you have created a first table. Now for right click on the first table and select rows. So how many rows will be there in that?
4.
Huh?
4 rows.
Rows. Rows means data. There is no data at all, right? We haven't inserted any data at all.
The table.
See, columns are the properties. Rows is data.
We should insert data now, right?
Yeah, you can just go to the first table, left tab, second tab. You have query one first table. Yeah, go there. Just click on the table in the left side. First table, just first table in the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, right click. edit table data.
Query.
Edit table data. So you can just enter something. 1, 2. No. Enter in the values. Yeah. Double click and enter. No, double click at null. Yeah. 1. Yeah, you can give any name.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you can create like that multiple records. That is 2 more records and do apply. Apply.
Apply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apply. So now finish it and go back to your table and right click select rows. See, your table is having data.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means SQL is set up on your machine and you're good to go. So like this, everyone install your SQL MySQL on everyone's machine. Alright, I want everyone to be ready by tomorrow. No issues. No issue should be there actually. Or else if you have any issues, we can just use this time to fix those issues. I don't want to spend
Hello.
more time tomorrow for just the issues on this. Yeah. Who's this?
Hello, Venkat. This is Nikhil.
Yeah, Nikhil.
Yeah, I'm having a Mac, but I downloaded the MySQL and also downloaded the Workbench too.
Okay.
I need to see that it is installed.
What is it? Can you come again?
I have downloaded the MySQL server and also the Workbench.
Okay. Yeah. So it's working fine.
I don't know if it is working. The UI is different
Okay.
in the Mac.
Let me pass the console to you. You're on which name?
Nikhil?
I'm not able to see your name, Nikhil.
Yeah.
Because maybe.
Vikas.
Vikas? Oh, okay. Yeah. I changed you to present. So Narsimha, you're clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So just go to your apps. Yeah, it's installed, right? Yeah. Just click on the
Yeah,
localhost.
this is Workbench.
Yeah.
What should I do?
Just double click on the localhost. You have the localhost here, right? Left side. Yeah. Double. Yeah. You have this schema as well. Left side you have the test schema. You also can try the same. Left side below, bottom, schemas. Yes. So you can just minimize it. Yeah, expand it. Tables. Yeah. So you already created, right? So there is a table. Yeah, instead of writing, it will be easier. Okay, whatever. Yeah, just right click on the table and do edit data. Right click on the Vikas. Right click on Vikas and do edit data. Right click. So what you're trying to do?
I'm not getting a way to change this value. I mean, to
Okay.
add
See,
new row.
you're trying to add new columns. So just go double click on the Vikas COL. Yeah, change to name or something, whatever the column you want. Yeah. So next, go to next line. Yeah. Go to city. Yeah. If you want to add more, you can just give tab and add more. Yeah, that is fine. Click on
Okay.
apply. Apply. Down. Yeah. Apply. Just do click on apply. You have apply, right? At the bottom. At the bottom you have apply, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Close
You
it.
want me to close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now come back to your Vikas table. Right click on it. Right click on it. Right click on it.
We don't have a right click option on in Mac, so
No, it will be there. I think you have not configured it. There will be a different key. Okay, so just double click on it then. Yeah, here at the ID, are you able to enter something?
no, there's
I
no
think
option for.
it is the result grid, so that is the reason you are not able to enter. So I think you need to configure your right click.
Also, can I just write an SQL statement?
Yeah,
Is
it's
that fine?
your your wish. Yeah. So string, is it a string or
Sorry, it'd be
yeah,
a string.
yeah,
Give it as var actually, so it will take a string, right?
yeah, it is a string. Yeah, varchar will consider it as a string.
Okay.
Insert into table values.
Sorry.
Yeah. So now select the whole row, select the whole line, and click on the third icon or third action. Yeah,
This
yeah. No database selected. You have not selected any database. So just go to test and edit it or right click it. You're not having right click. Okay. Yeah. So first thing you have to configure is to you need to know how can you get right click on your Mac. So
okay.
you're new to Mac or
Yeah, I'm new to Mac.
okay. So try to find in Google like how to see the right click in Mac.
Sure.
Venkat,
Yeah.
uh, I think double tap should work as right click in Mac.
Yeah, so even I have a Mac, but I have configured myself as single right click.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah,
I got things like
yeah. Set as default schema. Set as default schema. Yeah. So now go back to your query and insert it. Yeah. So right click. So what is right click?
double tap or
Yeah.
tap at the same time with multiple tap.
Yeah. So instead you can just go to your settings and make it a right click. It will
Yeah,
be yeah.
okay. So what can I do here?
Data. Edit data. You don't have data.
No. In
Right.
fact, on my system also it's not coming like edit data.
Yeah, I think it depends on the version that you have installed. So just go to select. Yeah, here you just try to insert something. So that's the reason I asked everyone to install everything by selecting all the options. Select everything, complete install.
I did it like that only, but then
Yeah, even Fremont is string. Yeah, yeah. See, one row is affected. Now if you just right click and see the records in the Vikas table, select rows. See, it's affected.
Yeah,
So you are good?
yeah, added one row.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, is that fine, everyone?
Venkat,
Yeah.
I am unable to find Workbench in my system.
Have you
Can I
installed?
share?
Yeah. Have you installed it or no?
No, not yet.
Oh, then you need to install it.
Just the Workbench?
Have you installed MySQL already, server?
Yeah, I can see some part of it.
Yeah. Then install MySQL Workbench and
Hi, sir. Sir, while installing my Workbench, it's showing the program cannot start because MSVCR120 is missing from your computer.
yeah. Yeah, I think you need to see something. I think you need to find that in Google. Who is that, Bala?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I think then you need to try different install. So what is the URL that this guy used? Narsimha? Narsimha just tried installing the MySQL Workbench, right? So it worked on his machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just touch base with him and make it resolve.
The link you sent yesterday, that is the one I used.
Yeah. So the same link I see. Maybe one thing, right? See, your system should have all the supporting library for the MySQL. So even if it is not having that also, it will give you an issue. Okay, so once Naresh is done, then we will get into yours. So Naresh, you want to share your screen?
Yeah, one second. I'm downloading.
Yeah. And tomorrow I don't want anyone with issues on MySQL, right? Because this will interrupt our class. So I'm spending complete today's session on installing on everyone's machine. So meanwhile, you want to show Bala?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. You already
Yeah,
have Workbench. Yeah.
yeah. But it is not showing, it is not opening my Workbench. It is showing some problem.
Close the program and reopen it. Okay, do one thing. Uninstall Workbench and reinstall it.
Venkat, can you check my one?
Yeah, once after this, we'll go one by one.
This one is right, sir. The link is right.
Yeah. So 6.3 was, yeah, that's fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Run it.
Yeah, run it. Yeah. Next. Complete. Install. Narsimha?
Yeah,
Yeah, what is your version of Workbench?
it's 5.2.47.
Okay. So I think Bala, you're using the higher version, and this
You want
higher
me
version
to?
is not compatible to others. Maybe we'll try to see.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the issue. So uninstall it and go to the lower version.
Okay.
I have sent you the link.
Venkat,
Yeah,
I did the same version that is 6.3 CE, but it's working on my system.
yeah, it's working means maybe you have installed everything separately all together with the same version. He is having different version of the server and different version of .NET. MySQL Workbench requires the Visual C++,
Oh,
Visual Studio, .NET, everything. So everything should be compatible to execute all the Microsoft products. I mean, it's not Microsoft product MySQL, it's Oracle, but it requires Microsoft Visual Studio to support it.
okay, okay,
Yeah. So maybe your system, if it is working, then it is good, right?
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And also it depends on the bit. See, here it is 32 bit, and if you're trying to install 64 bit on your machine which is not compatible, then again it will be a problem. So yeah, that could be also one of the problem.
Venkat, but to install 32-bit in 64-bit system processor,
Who?
it's okay means to install 32-bit on 64-bit processor system.
Yeah, as long as it is working fine, then we are good.
Okay.
Yeah. So our main aim is to make it work.
Mm.
Yeah. So we are not worried whether it is 32 bit or 64 bit. But if version conflict occurs, then we need to see again.
Yeah.
If everyone follows straightforwardly whatever the links I have sent you, everything will work perfectly fine. Because everything I have tested on my machine and I have sent you guys. Right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, just double click and see. I don't want again tomorrow that it is not working. So, all right. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah. So, anyone else has any issues in MySQL?
Venkat,
Yeah.
can I share now?
Yeah.
Venkat, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, this is the one I used to install it,
Right.
and then just now I have downloaded this one,
Workbench.
MySQL Workbench,
Yeah.
but this is a version.
Yeah. And again, check the version compatibility.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I didn't check it. So, do you want me to download the other one?
That's
5.
you can just do this as well. See, the main thing is if you are using latest version, you should have everything latest, all your .NET framework, everything. Then only it will work fine. If you don't have the .NET latest version, if you are trying to install Workbench with latest version, it will have version conflict, correct? So that's the reason Bala was not able to install. You can try installing this, and you will see if that doesn't work, then you can go back to the older version.
Okay.
Looks like you already have it. Cancel it. Cancel.
Cancel or cancel?
Cancel and go to programs and try to find Workbench. Go to your apps or programs to find whether you have Workbench or not. I mean, not here
You can search his search.
in the app.
Okay.
Yeah, in the search.
Yeah.
Just Workbench.
Yeah, second one. Second one. Yeah.
It's not coming up.
Yeah, I think it will take some time. Yeah. Just minimize everything and see whether it is loading or not. Behind the scene. Minimize everything.
Um, Actually, I stopped installing it in between.
Oh, when? Yesterday?
No, now about 5 minutes back.
I mean, when we saw, we just cancelled the installation, right? Because it said it is already there.
No, no, no. Before that, even before that,
Oh, okay. Then just
you said the version incompatible and all, right? So I cancelled it in between.
okay. Yeah, then repair it.
So
Then
I'll remove it and try to
no
reinstall.
need to remove. Just go and double click on that, so it will ask you to repair it.
Repair. Okay.
Okay. So just uninstall it and download the old one. So you are also having the same version conflict. So meanwhile, how about everyone else?
So which is that one?
I think Narsimha sent you in the chat window.
Okay.
Before that, uninstall the existing one. Just remove completely.
Yeah. Sure.
Double click on that and remove. Say remove.
Yeah.
Remove everything. Yeah. Meanwhile, you download that, the other one. It's in the GoToMeeting chat. Yeah. So anyone else has issues now?
Uh, yeah, so I've downloaded that 5.2 version, so it's working fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So how about others? So no issues, right? I don't want to hear any not working MySQL tomorrow because we'll be learning JDBC. So we'll be spending whole 1 hour to learn the technology rather than fixing the issues. So today that's the reason I have spent complete 1 hour for this issue. All right?
Venkat,
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Venkat,
Uh, yes. Hello? Hello? Am I not audible to everyone?
Yes.
You're audible, Venkat.
Okay. Then she's calling and she's not, looks like she's not able to understand.
Venkat?
Yeah.
Venkat?
Venkat,
Yeah.
can you see my screen?
Yeah. It's loading, right? Yeah. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine.
I test using few queries.
What is that?
Can I test it?
Yeah, you can test it. Yeah. Yeah. Right?
Okay, Venkat.
Yeah. So everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So no more issues, right? So tomorrow I'll be starting directly the session. I don't want to hear it's not working from anyone. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if someone is facing the issue, maybe you guys can help them out so that you also will learn like how to install and how to help others, right? It will be easy for others as well.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay then. We'll see tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay then. Bye. Good night.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.